Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to share with you all my very easy red beans and rice video that would only take about 20 minutes or less from start to finish. Yes, including the prep time. I've previously made a Louisiana style red beans and rice video that layered in flavors, ingredients, and time. I will put the link in the description. My version today will be great for all my hardworking, busy people, and even for anyone who is in need of a lazy day. All you will have to do is add your ingredients in a slow cooker. No need to pre-cook anything. Mix it and put your cook time on. If you're not interested in making the rice, then pick your favorite minute rice and add it to your dish. Lastly, for time-saving tips, use pre-cut vegetables from the grocery store. They might be a little bit more expensive, but very convenient. And if you don't have pre-cut vegetables, then feel free to chop your veggies in the blender. And in no time, you will have a delicious, hearty meal that's going to taste like it took all day. I hope you all enjoy.